Hi guys, hope you're doing well. In this lecture we're going to start modeling this lamp, so let's jump into it. First select the lamp, I think it's lamp 02, and press Alt plus H to unhide everything. As usual, just follow the shortcuts. Go into edit mode, select these vertices and scale them on Z to 0 so they align properly. Then press M and choose by distance to merge them. This is important because earlier we used a mirror on Z, but clipping wasn't enabled, so the vertices didn't merge correctly. So again, select everything and merge by distance to clean it up. Make sure to follow your reference. You can also open PureRef and get inspired by different lamp designs. I'll keep mine on the second screen. Now let's start adding more edges around here. Switch to face selection, then press Alt plus E and extrude along normals. Something like this. Select these edges and move them slightly on Z to refine the shape. You can also scale and adjust the proportions to make it longer. I rotate it slightly so the face is aligned in front view. This will make things easier later when we use booleans. Now select these edges again and scale them a bit. Extrude along normals again and tweak the shape if needed. Switch to front view, move things slightly on Z, and refine the silhouette. You can select through the mesh to affect both front and back vertices. Extrude again, scale, and adjust. Then add a bevel with Ctrl plus B to soften the edges. Keep refining, extrude, scale, adjust until you get a shape. We're almost there. Now select this face, extrude it, and keep it selected. Press Shift plus S and choose Cursor to Selected. Then press Shift plus A and add a torus. Adjust the segments around 20 and scale it down. Rotate it on X by 90 degrees, then position it properly. Scale it until it fits nicely. Make sure your material is assigned correctly. In this case, it's using a gold material, so that's fine. You can tweak the edges a bit more if needed, then set everything to shade smooth. Now we'll prepare for the glass openings using booleans. Press Shift plus S and set the cursor to world origin and make sure you're in object mode. Add a circle with Shift plus A, set it to around 16 vertices, rotate it 90 degrees on X and scale it down. Go into edit mode, select all edges and move them on Y. Switch to material preview mode to see better, scale and adjust the shape. Delete half of it, then add a mirror modifier on X with clipping enabled. Extrude on Z, then on X, and refine the shape. Keep adjusting until it looks right. Apply the mirror, then go back to edit mode and tweak it slightly on Y. Select everything and press F to fill the surface, then extrude to give it thickness. Recalculate normals with Control plus Shift plus N. Now add an empty and use it with an array modifier to duplicate the shape around the lamp. Make sure to apply scale and rotation. Adjust the count and rotation until you get a circular pattern. Also, make sure to disable relative offset. Once you're happy, apply everything. Now use a Boolean modifier set to difference to cut those shapes into the lamp. Before applying the modifier, make the mesh unique. Now we can safely apply the modifier. Apply the Boolean, then delete the cutter objects. Finally, select the lamp, go to Materials, and add a new one called Emissive. Switch to emission, increase the strength to around 5 or 10, and give it a slightly orange color. Select the inner faces and assign the emissive material. And that's it. We now have our lamp. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video, guys.